What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video out at the Citadel. I haven't been here in a while. Let's go see what's up. Man, is it the evening trip? Oh man, I hate coming here in the evening. All right, let's go see what's up. Citadel does get crowded as hell. It does. It's not too bad today though. Not too bad. All right, let's go see what's up here. There's no line. There's no line. All right, let's go. It says 40% off. So like that is. Does that mean the clearance is 40% off? Is that what that means? Yeah, that is what that means. That is what that means. 40% off the clearance. Got open spaces, not as bad as some of the other places. All right, let's go look around. I've been looking for some cleats for my kiddo. Ooh, oh hell no, these are way too much. $250. LeBron's going for way too much. Really? Really? Full retail? Even with 40 out, that's still way too much. I'm in the size 8, 9 section. I don't know. Like sizes are everywhere. Do got the center cords go for $90. 40 off makes it way good. Do got the Jordan lows, $120. The Luca colorway. Okay. Wait, was it? Oh, okay, yeah, one. Oh, okay. Well, I was like, what? Because the original price is $175. Oh, it's down to $120 and then 40 off. Holy crap, that's really good. Bigger size. Let me check. I was thinking about those for asphalt because I think these would be good for basketball or asphalt, but you see how thin that rubber is? Like the pieces are really thin. I was talking to one of the homies who works here. He recommended this for my kid for asphalt. These are some trainers, and that rubber is a lot thicker on the bottom. I think it will last significantly longer. These are only $30. We'll see this when we get to the aisles, but these are some trainers, some varsity complete trainers. I'm gonna pick these up. These are only $30 for my kiddo. That's what's up. What's up? Wondering if I should grab these for $50. I think those would be like what, 55? Oh, excuse me, 55, 60. These have always been narrow though. I haven't gotten too many of the performance Jordans lately because they're all narrow as hell. But this really does ring up for $50. Holy crap! Like that's a steal, right? That's a steal. Damn, these. They don't seem too narrow, but they're, damn, I need a 10.5 on these. I need 10.5. Let me ask one of the workers, see if they have a 10.5. Little more colorful than I like, but I like the silhouette. I really do like the silhouette on these. Especially if they're ringing up for 50 something. It said 90, what is it, 95 or something? I don't know. Yeah, that'll ring up for what, $60 something? Oh, yeah. I might have to. God dang it, I'm trying not to buy stuff. Still in the smallest size, 9.5. Got one of these. I wonder what the price is. There's no way that's regular price, right? I don't know. I did talk to one of the workers. He said these show up as $175 on the app. One of the other workers showed me it's 90 something. I don't know what the hell. I don't know. But they don't have a 10.5 though. So the 10 slightly snug, especially up front. The width is not too bad, but so much for that. Trying it on one more time. Yeah. Like if I was using them for basketball, if I tighten the laces like big time, it might work because when you tighten the laces, it makes your foot go backwards. But yeah, without tightening the laces, yeah, they're not good. All right, Duke got Westbrook take ones going for $80. Yeah, $80, 40% off. That still comes out to more than the ones I got. Max Auras, size 10.5, go for $80. Those remind me of those LeBron 3s. Cortez, I've been complaining about them not making Cortez the ones that people want. But they still have the B-Trues, and they're down to freaking $45 to $11.5. Haven't heard this song like in forever. Kyrie Low 5s, going for $110. These are $11.5. In the Club, I haven't heard this song in forever. Witness 6s. Oh, these ain't even Witnesses. What the hell? 37s. This is the Jason Tatum colorway, 12.5. Be able to get these for $40. That is pretty dope. You get most of the box. They just cut the top off because the side right there, that is a part of the side. So that is why they did that. That is funny. 12.5, 40% off. That's not too bad. The bigger sizes right here, size 13, Terra Escape Air Max 90s. $115 for those. Killshot 2 leathers, going for $85, size 14. Air Max 20 90s, $130, size 12. $90 for those. We've seen those Prestos go for way less, right? 40% off, still not bad, but we've seen it cheaper. Pegasus 39s going for $12. Hola Olalu. More of these, size 14, 45. Zion ones. These are Team Bank colorway, 75. Alpha Fly Next Percent. This is extended size pricing right here, 135. I'd definitely get that if they had my size, especially at that price. That's crazy. What? Air Force One Mid Quick Strike, regular price though. Size 13 do got some trainers that are pretty freaking dope. I'm a fan of these. Regular price though, not a fan of that. I guess you get 40 out, not too bad. Oh, I was like, oh, the Chrome Force ones. They got these Air Force Ones that are chrome, and they look like they're already creased before even going on feet. Maybe they were on feet, I don't know. But these are huge, $75, 16, size 16 and a half. So it's that size 18 women's, I think. Or is it 16 and a half women's? And then, I don't know. It's huge as shit though, that's all I know. All right, let's check out the aisle, see what's going on here. Nike Free Metcon 3s. These are the ones that I ended up getting for my kiddo. This is the Varsity Complete Trainer 3s. And it definitely does look like it's great for asphalt. Doesn't have the greatest cushioning, but yeah, this is definitely made as a trainer. So perfect for flag football. Got a white and white, gray, and black one of those as well. A little bit more. Got some Phantom Ray Flyknits. It's the first generation. The last one was second. Next to Trail 2s, Trail 3s. Got some Hirachis. Definitely been seeing a ton of those. Another one of those. One of the resellers has a cart here. Terra Escape Plus, Max 90s. Then more of these Hirachis. Got a couple more. Want a brighter one? There's one right here. Mortalities right here. Got a bunch of, man, you know what? We've seen all these a million times. Fly traps, seen those plenty of times. Witnesses, Witness 5s, or Witness 6s, my bad. Soldiers, we've seen these plenty of times as well. Then some of the non-signature Jordans. Nothing too exciting, to be really honest. All right, they do have the Jordan 36 lows right here. That's about it though, man, that's about it. Let's go check out the clothing. 50% off. The clearance section right here with clothes. Look at this. Look at this. This is for my kiddo. $20 for fleece shorts. And this, like, you don't have to worry about this color fading. That's pretty fire, so I'm gonna grab these. So $20, so it's 10 bucks. They got smalls, they got larges, they got plenty of sizes in these. These are hella comfy. A black Jordan fleece shorts going for $35. These are all the black fleece kind of fades. That's kind of why I like that charcoal color. They got these Jordan basketball shorts. These are thicker, but they're short. So that's size small, down to 15 bucks. $15. They just have small. I see a few other ones, but all smalls. See if they have other sizes. What's going on right here? What's going on right here? What's going on right here? Is that Bosa jersey? Oh, tell me it's on sale. $150. Not on sale. It is on sale. It's like 50% off, but if it was more on sale, I would so grab this. Damn. If that, let's see. I do want it 50% off. It is $75. I have 2 Niner jerseys. I think I have one. I think it's fake. Someone got it for me, but I think it is fake. I do have 2. I have a Rice, and I also have a George Kittle jersey. Bosa is a bad mother lover, dude. He's bad as hell. Okay, so I found others. There's a bunch of them. It's all larges. That was just a t-shirt. Oh, okay. Jersey for $75. That is hella cheap. You got these Nike Flight sweatpants going for $60. Remember, you get another 50 off on top of that, so that's hella cheap. These are all XL though. I already have 2 other jerseys. I'm gonna say no. I do love Bosa. He's one of my favorite players. Like, he's the best edge rusher in the game right now, leading the league in sacks as of today. Hopefully, as of the day you guys watch this video too. Damn, I don't think. Yeah, I already have 2 jerseys. I don't need half the team. I don't think so. You got Nike. Damn, what? It's like black on top and then white on the bottom. Kind of weird. $40 down to $20, down to $10, I guess. Jersey for $75. That is hella cheap. You got these Nike Flight sweatpants going for $60. Remember, you get another 50 off on top of that, so that's hella cheap. These are all XL though. I already have 2 other jerseys. I'm gonna say no. I do love Bosa. He's one of my favorite players. Like, he's the best edge rusher in the game right now, leading the league in sacks as of today. Hopefully, as of the day you guys watch this video too. Damn, I don't think. Yeah, I already have 2 jerseys. I don't need half the team. I don't think so. So you got Nike. Damn, what? It's like black on top and then white on the bottom. Kind of weird. $40 down to $20, down to $10, I guess. All right, I changed my mind. I was gonna get it, but it's so loose. This is not a large, but like on a medium, the neck won't fit. But I think it might have changed for the next year's, because I tried on a medium for the Kelsey jersey and it did fit. So I don't know. Like this is just really big right here. So I don't know. I do want it though. I do want it, but it's too loose. I don't know. Is it too loose? Is it fit right? I don't know. What do you guys think? I think it's too loose. All right, I'm gonna put it back because yeah, Niners stuff, like just football stuff in general, is gonna be on sale soon. Football season's almost over. I already have 2 jerseys for this year. I'll get one during the off season. Dude, they'll go on sale. Damn, dude, I'm such a big Bosa fan. I changed my mind like 12 times already on that. Am I the only one that changes my mind like 12 times, like when I'm buying stuff? Nike Yoga, just regular t-shirt, dry fit, $25.50. Normally $53. What the hell? 50% off though. That just seems outrageous, no? $53 for a freaking dry fit t-shirt? Evan serious? So thin too, your nipples show and everything. I'm good. These dry fits with like this texture, this is kind of dope. It is a small $20. They're dry fits. Normally 68. I think it's 45 down to 20 and then down to 10. If they had a medium, I probably would cop that, but no. I think I have one more clearance rack to try out. These sweats right here, 110 down to 110. Guess you get 50 off. So everything's a pretty decent deal. Not really see much. There's a boys medium right here. This is going for 35. Probably doesn't belong here. I'm gonna throw it in there anyways. Hawaii shirts. The Hawaiian Nike shirts. These are going for $45. Normally 85. That is a large. I don't know. I'm not really finding too much, you guys. All right, let's go pay for this and then go check out Reebok. I kind of want to go check out Reebok. All right, this is not bad. The lines here get crazy. All right, let's go pay for our stuff. So $30 for the sneakers, $10 for the shorts. Not bad. All right, so we are gonna head out to Reebok. Let's go see what's up with Reebok. 60% off clearance at Reebok. Let's go see what's up. Right when I come in, they got one of these. I wonder if this is a return or what. It's just the new Superman colorway of the Shaq attacks. That's crazy. That's pretty dope. They got some decent pieces right here. See a lot of suede. Like that one looks pretty dope. The workouts. 60% off a ton of stuff, but none of the stuff I like. None of the stuff that I like. Freaking love the Shaq attacks. I only have the OG colorway, the Orlando one. I need more colorways though. I need more of these. These are fire. These are fire, dude. Excluded though. Answer DMX right here. Question mids. And this one is dope. Man, look at that nice soft. Oof, these are fire. You got a 10, 10 and a half. Oh no, not 10 and a half. They got 10, 11. Oh, they do have a 10 up here. Okay. Yeah, these are fire. Do I want to pay retail? Regular price? No, not really. They do have up to size 13. Got a few more. Not into that. This one's pretty dope. And this is 60% off, $130. Let's go for hella cheap. What's that? $60? And this is the rest of the aisle right here. Nothing too hot. Man, whenever I see this in the corner of my eye, I'm like, is that the Shaq Attack? OG Shaq Attack? No, not really. Insta Pump Furies. Not the hugest fan of these. See what's up with the clearance section right here. You do get 60% off all the prices. Oh man, if I saw this. Man, I did see that for 50% off. I don't know if they had my size though. I saw that at Denim Exchange. Man, they had my size of this for what, 110, 60% off. You know damn well I have to get these. This is fire, size 7. Ooh, that's fire, dude. That is dope. Yeah. What are these? What are these? These are Insta Pumps. Yeah, Insta Pump Furies. Yeah, I'm not a fan of those. It's like these right here. Just not a fan. Got a bunch of Insta Pumps. This type of stuff. Yeah, I'm just not a fan. 130. Do get 60 off. Checking 11 all through the 10s. Not really seeing much. I'm checking even all the other sites for you guys. Nothing too crazy. What's this? The LX 2200? Jurassic Park one right here. Go for 95. Not too crazy. Just not finding much. Even the OG stuff, not really finding much. These are size 13s. This ain't bad. This ain't bad. This is the Club C Legacy. These are going for $80. You get 60 off. These are 75, 60 off right here. These are size 13 classic leathers. The hair collab. Classic leather, 1983 vintage, $75. Size 13 right here. Bigger size got better stuff than the smaller size today. I would ask if they have my size in this, but I already know what the answer's gonna be. We just have whatever else here. That's what I've ever heard. That's like all I've ever heard whenever I've come here. These are dope. These are dope. I'm such a fan. I think these are supposed to be down there. The tiny sizes. The kid sizes, size 5, 135 for these. 4.5, 140 for these. Remember, it is 60 off. Let's see these up here right now. Answer 4s, size 13 right here. Eagles colorway. Shows regular price though. 60 off of that. $20 hoodies, not too bad. Just the Reebok, basic Reebok hoodie. All go for 20 bucks. They have a bunch of different colors. Quite a few different sizes as well. Matching pants right here. Sweatpants go for 20. All right, that's about it, man. I'm wrapping it up. I'm done. I think I'm gonna go home. It's dark outside. I'm out.